Siyempre guys, congratulations. Parang last time tayo nagkita, first album. Ngayon you're on your sophomore album. What is Love on Loop all about?
So yung Love on Loop tungkol siya sa meron kaming nagulat ako
Ayan.
sa anyway, yung Love on Loop, it's an album na linear yung story niya about stages of love. So kung sundan mo yung sequence ng mga kanta, parang talaga siyang kwento. It is about the cyclical nature of falling in love.
I've heard this is a result of your song camp. Tama ba?
Yes.
Can you tell us something about the story behind the process of the second album?
So pumunta kami sa isang songwriting camp no August of 2024.
Where?
In Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur.
Wow.
We met a lot of producers. Thanks to Warner, they asked us if we wanted to go there. Marami kaming kasama mga na ibang artists, both from Southeast Asia and Australia.
Okay.
So nandun rin si Philip,
Okay.
Player 2, and si Jason Dacal. Tapos from Australia, meron din silang mga artists. And anyway, we met a lot of producers, and one of these producers na nakilala namin si Shin and si Curly. And gumawa kami ng isang kanta with them. Tapos sobrang nag-enjoy kami. And sobrang happy kami dun sa result na we came back in 4 months to write the whole album.
Wow. Okay.
Actually, dapat nga EP lang siya. Pero sobrang bilis namin nagsulat ng kanta with them because the chemistry was so good. Na in 9 days, naka 7.
That's good. Malaking tulong yung mga ganong activity, the songwriting camp, para ilabas yung creative juices ninyo compared to previous process na pagbuo ng album. David.
To be honest, we thought we don't need this, we don't work well with producers, but we just went and then we kept our minds open and then we really enjoyed the songs that we made.
That's good. That's
super
good.
helpful to have someone else with other sets of inspirations, the musicality. You can see what you want and try.